A dripping kitchen sink can be a frustrating issue, especially when it occurs even after the water is turned off. The main culprit behind this problem is often the O-ring, which controls the water flow out of the faucet. However, if the O-ring is damaged due to poor installation, incorrect sizing, or inadequate lubrication, it can cause water to drip constantly. Additionally, water pressure that exceeds the recommended 55 psi can also lead to a dripping faucet. Using hard water can also contribute to the problem, as minerals in the water can leave residue on the faucet and form rust when exposed to moisture, resulting in a leaky sink. A worn-out washer can also make it impossible to control water pressure, leading to a dripping faucet. If the O-ring, washer, and seals are properly installed but the faucet still leaks, the issue may be related to a plumbing problem, such as cracked or blocked pipes. To fix a leaking kitchen faucet, it's recommended to hire an experienced plumber who can ensure the correct installation of the O-ring and washer, as well as proper lubrication. Using a water pressure gauge can help identify and control water pressure, while water softeners can mitigate the effects of hard water. Applying vinegar to affected areas can also help prevent rust if the issue persists. It's best to consult a professional plumber to diagnose and address any underlying problems with the washer or pipes.